All right, welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Wednesday, the 16th, 2023. It's 12:28 p.m. here in the Arizona desert. As always, BitcoinDailyView.com got more for you there. As always, not financial advice. This is not real. This is just what I'm thinking out loud. All right, looking at the crypto universe and squares right now. In general, red, but not too bad of a day. Let's look at FinViz. The big markets, well, the big indexes, I should say, are down today. Um, they were yesterday too, so that's definitely some downwards velocity. So Dow is down, Nasdaq is down, S&P 500 is down. Let's look at a little zero in here on the S&P 500. Um, yeah, yesterday there was some green, even though it was down in general. But today, nope, no love, not even Nvidia. All right, so let's keep cruising. Looking at the dollar strength index, I think that explains why. Here, top left, dollar strength index is moving up, continuing a powerful upwards channel. Broke through the 314 moving average, broke through the 200 moving average. It is cruising, a lot of velocity right there. So dollar strength index definitely making some waves, and that's going to crush the market in general. That's crushing the S&P 500, as we can see, pushing down gold and pushing down silver as well. But it won't last forever, so count your, you know, so don't gloat dollar strength index, because when it bounces, definitely going to be a good time for commodities. And also, let's go look at the S&P 500 here. Let's real quick look at the Russell 2000. How's that looking? Yeah, Russell 2000 definitely plummeting as well. We'll see if it makes a 200 moving average bounce on the daily, but market getting crushed by a pumping dollar strength index. Looking at the MMRI, 275, even above 250 is not good. Honestly, above 200 is not super great. So, uh, 100 to 200 is moderate risk, 200 plus is a high risk. So we are definitely watch out for manipulation, watch out for pumps, dumps. The market is a bit crazy, high risk environment. Bitcoin trading volume the last 24 hours is 2.8 billion. That's not quite so bad for a crazy time like this. Definitely with some longs got wrecked this morning, a couple hours ago. So Bitcoin, not a lot. It's not a lot of volume, and it's got a lot of downwards pressure. So watch out. Don't be longing with a lot of leverage right now. Looking at longs versus shorts, the last 24 hours, $16 million in longs wrecked, 2.1 million in shorts. So everyone's getting wrecked. Just wait until we have a more confirmed direction before you dump the big dollars into the market with leverage for Bitcoin. That is. Looking at longs versus shorts here on Binance, where the big volume is 68% long, 31% short. Definitely, people are putting those longs in. Be careful. Looking at the 7-day graphs on the big exchanges, the 20 big exchanges, definitely we're beginning to see a turn up in general of volume. They had 20 big exchanges. Most of those are in the green today, so slightly positive volume. But don't get carried away, because we're not Lambo we're not in Lambo volume yet. 29,086 for Bitcoin right now. Looking at the top 100, most are getting wholesale whoop-assed. So not too beautiful there. Anyway, this is a great time unless you're in a trade and you're in the red. It's not too cool. If you're shorting, well, be watchful, because there's not a lot of volume right now, and it's definitely going to allow the whales to just wreck your butt. So be careful. Bitcoin definitely did take a bit of a dump this morning here on the 45-minute chart. We can see candles by Sam. The purple candles fired up, so definitely we had upwards velocity for sure. But it didn't really go anywhere too glamorous, too specific. Looking at the squeeze indicator on the 45-minute chart, we're slowly recovering. Directional index very, very slowly recovering. Really, let's look at a four-hour chart. Also, the 45-minute charts below the 200 and the 314. That's pretty darn weak. Let's look at an hourly chart. Looks about the same. Looks like it was the hourly chart that they were playing when they did that dump. Let's look at a 15-minute chart for this morning. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look about a half hour of timed dump. Tell you, man, the big dollars, they're on a call together, and they're just wrecking the retail traders. So be careful. 4-hour chart looking pretty crappy too. So anyway, no love for Bitcoin right now. It's not doing anything too extraordinary. Let's look at the daily chart for Bitcoin. I still do have a kind of a belief here. Oh yeah, the 140 SMA is interesting. So there, the white line there is the 200 moving average. We're above it. That's good. The 140 SMA as well. We're getting close to that, and that does tend to be. You can see where it's kind of getting to be a moving average that the guy over at Blockchain Education, it was kind of figured out that that's one that definitely the big money is playing. So people in the know are playing it, so you should too. So let's just ditch that for a sec so we can see things a little bit more carefully. Let's fire up a parallel channel. And here on the daily, you can see, I do think we have an upwards channel, which you looked at a few times. And there you go. Let's just see, are we going to hit the 200 moving average or at the bottom of the channel? They're kind of in the same spot right now. Definitely, it is kind of time for a reversal, but the market's just not having it at the moment. Bitcoin's not having it. We are touching that 140 SMA. Yeah, maybe it's time. Anyway, don't try too hard is the moral of the story. Okay, just chill. Let this wrecked market just run for a while. If you're shorting, then short. Definitely, if you're finding some alts that are making money, definitely get in them. Get in. Do what you need to do, but watch out for this guy here. We're going to take another look at that. Let's just put the DXY in there, dollar strength index, daily chart. Yeah, see, the DXY is making a move, and it's hitting that 200 moving average and breaking above it there in the daily. So that's just going to be carnage for the market, at least for today. We'll see how things look tomorrow. Eventually, we're going to get with the focus of this is Bitcoin in general. We'll definitely see a bounce there. Definitely going to see a commodities bounce for gold and silver pretty soon. So just hang tight. Dollar strength index. That's a moving dollar strength index. Let's look at that a little bit closer. Yeah, it's looking great in the 45-minute chart. How about the 4-hour chart? Yeah, dollar strength index. It's going to be moving at least for the foreseeable future, and until it starts to abate, definitely. Had those tight stops in there. Be watchful. Some longs got wrecked this morning. That's not pretty at all. Big indexes are, big indexes right now are beginning to see a little bit of a bounce. Maybe they'll close in the green. It's 12:30. See 130, 230, 330. Getting near the end of the day, you never know. You might see a move. Maybe they'll be dumping money into the market. Anyway, everybody. Take care, as always. Not strict financial advice. This is just me thinking out loud. But take care. This week is going to start to shape up. Eventually we're going to see some nice bounces. And when we do, we'll definitely do our best to get in on those. Anyway, tell me what you think. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It actually really does help. Your like and share matters. Anyway, and so does your comment. So do that. And if you did get all the way to the end here, just comment with buy Bitcoin so I know how many people actually watched the end. It actually is extremely helpful. So with that said, I'll see you tomorrow, and take care.